What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you're looking for fashionable iPhone cases, you've come to the right place. Well, I do declare that DIACLARA iPhone cases can be really nice. I've checked them out in the past, and so I picked up a few of these, and these are for the iPhone 11. Obviously, cases for the iPhone 11 are still coming on the market. You can see here. The nice thing about this case is that it's colored in purple, my college colors, but it's actually a really protective case. You can see it's actually two pieces, front and back, warranty, and here is the case itself, and it's all wrapped in plastic. Man, it's not heavy, but it is pretty robust. So you've got this plastic bumper all the way around. You kind of have a sharp edge here, you know, not sharp to the touch, but you can see how, you know, distinct it is, not just round. We've got molded in buttons here, got some fins up at the top, and I think that is for kind of absorbing impact, plastic around the housing, and then clear back, clear front. So, ports and speaker cutouts. So I think I'm just gonna, actually not sure, separate front casing from rear. Down here in the corner, you can see there's a little cutout for fingernail to go in there and then pull it apart. So that's how you're going to do it, I think. Oh, just pull down like that, and now they come apart. And you can see here that that top piece has a plastic edge with a ridge that will go under here and get caught under there. So when you put this sucker together, it's really going to stay in place quite well. And you can see the cut pass through there for the button, so it can access everything just like that. All right, so this is for the 6.1. I'm presuming that they have it for other sizes. You can see how it'll fit really nicely there. So I'm going to pull this away like this, and then I'm going to assume that you're putting your iPhone first into the front cover. You can see how nicely that fits. And then you've got plastic cover there. And now I would go ahead and put this on, and I'm going to start with the corner up here so that I can get that underneath that ridge, and gonna go the long edge here, boom, boom, just like that, all together. Press it all in here. Man, that is a nice fit. It's kind of gratifying to feel that all kind of click together. And I still left the plastic on the front, a little tab there. So we'll pull this off. Now this is a dummy iPhone in here. They say that is not a screen, but you can see how well everything fits, access to everything. Even though the case is pretty big, you've got a nice big cutout here, so you can still get your lightning cable in there. Buttons right here, easy access to the mute switch. Button right here, I can feel it clicking. That's pretty nice. Like I said, it's just a smart looking thing. Oh, got plastic on the back here too. I won't rob you of the feeling that you can see that color all the way through, and you can see that that camera housing is below the edge of the plastic, so you're going to get nice protection if you throw it down like that, but you get to still show off that color. Hopefully your purple matches. And you know, they do have like the lavender and the yellow cases, so I think those will look really nice through here. So that is pretty awesome, but you don't have to get it in purple. You can get them in other colors too, and that's why I got these. So just FYI, what else you can get is this in green, and I know green was a new color, so you can get the same thing right there. That's a pretty kind of dark forest green, so that looks pretty cool. And then this one is just the standard. You're pretty conservative. You don't want to ruffle any feathers. You don't want to rock the boat, create waves. You just want to go with the black, the elegant, always fashionable, goes with everything. But if I flip it over, you can see that the front piece here has a gray insert. Nope, the green is exactly the green and the purple's the purple, but on the black, that front piece is gray. So a little contrast there, kind of mixes it up a little bit. Pretty awesome, pretty awesome. Hey, if you want to pick this up by DIACLARA, I think this case is pretty cool looking and will offer you protection and still show off your phone. Protection on front and back, 100% protection. Hey, I'll put a link to everything in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.